අපි කොහොමද past tense வெச்ச දෙයක් කතා කරන්නේ நாங்க நடந்த விஷயங்கள் எப்படி இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்றது அது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு இன்னும் நம்ம வாழ்க்கை மாதிரி தான் அந்த இங்கிலீஷ் மொழியில நம்மளுக்கு past tense இருக்கு present tense இருக்கு future tense අතීතයක් තියෙනවා වර්තමානයක් තියෙනවා අනාගතයක් තියෙනවා ඉතින් මේ ඇත්තටම ඒක නිසා අපි දැනගන්න දැන් for example අපි කියන ඊයේ මම ඉස්කෝලේ ගියා how to say ඊයේ මම ඉස්කෝලේ ගියා நேத்து நான் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போனேன் எப்படி சொல்றது yesterday I went to school yesterday I went to school right போன மாசம் நான் கிளம்ப போனேன் கேண்டி போனேன் last month I went to candy காலையில நான் கேக் சாப்பிட்டேன் I had some cakes in the morning I had some cakes in the morning நான் கேக் சாப்பிட்டேன் கேக் கேவ கேட்க right you have some bicycle last evening I rode bicycles நான் நேத்து நான் சைக்கிள் ஓட்டினேன் right so ගිය මාසේ තාත්තා ඉඩමක් ගත්තා ඕන මාසෙදලා අප්පා ஒரு காணி வாங்கினார் my father bought a land last month past tense is very important present tense past tense future tense කාල අපි කරපු දේවල් කරමින් ඉන්න දේවල් සහ කරන්න යන දේවල් ගැන අපිට හොඳ අවබෝධයක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් අපේ pronunciation එක okay නම් vocabulary okay නම් ඒවා simple. ඒතර you have a set of irregular verbs and regular verbs. நாங்க regular verb irregular verbs னே இருக்க ஒரு verbs right so அந்த மாதிரி அதெல்லாம் நல்லா படிச்சா நடந்ததையும் சொல்லலாம் நடக்கிறதையும் சொல்லலாம் நடக்க போற விஷயங்களும் சொல்லலாம். So grammatical structure tenses and passive voice and everything is there. So if you study, if you get a sound knowledge of grammar knowledge, so easily you can talk, right? The past tense කියන්නේ අපි ඉවරච්ච දේවල්. අපි කතා කරේ මොකද්ද? Yesterday I went to school. Last week we went to candy. My father bought a land last month, right? I rode bicycles last evening. அந்த மாதிரி சரி. அதுப்ப road அப்புறம் அந்த verb தான் இருக்குது. verb එක. You don't know what is present, what is past tense. So past tense verb ටික list එකක් වෙනම පිළිගන්නවා A to Z ඔක්කොම අපේ life එක අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. verb list එක දෙනවා බයෙන් එපා. ඉතින් අපි grammar all the 12 tenses, passive voice, conditionals, adverbs, adjectives, nouns, conjunctions, introductions, and reported speech. We cover each and every section of grammar. Don't worry about it. அதெல்லாம் நாங்க கவர் பண்ணி ஒரு நல்ல சவுண்டான great knowledge of English you can gain, right? So you know my Facebook page, you can follow me, like, share, and you can comment, right? So see you with another video. If you want to join my class, you can contact the WhatsApp button below, right? Okay, see you.